Oh, hello. How are you all doing? Let's talk about food today. Hello. Welcome back to this channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Sara. On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language and I've been teaching for over 2 years. During COVID, I made this channel because there are not a lot of resources online for learning Urdu. This channel caters beginner to advanced level students, and if you're learning Urdu and want to have a private lesson, you can always reach out on these websites. So I love cooking, I love eating food, I love talking about food, trying out new dishes. So today I compiled 55 vocabulary words for you. This is a very comprehensive list. If you want a PDF file, you can also become a patron and I'll provide a PDF file every week. Here's the link. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So our first vocabulary word is mashroob. Mashroob. Mashroob means a drink. Mashroob. It's not a very colloquial word though. In Urdu, mostly we just say drink. आपको कौन सी drink चाहिए? आपको कौन सी drink चाहिए? This is what a waiter would ask in a restaurant. It is very common for us to use English words in Urdu. This is how people speak, and I'm trying to teach you a colloquial way of speaking. An alternative way would be आपको कौन सा मशरूब चाहिए? आपको कौन सा मशरूब चाहिए? The next word is chai. Chai is tea. Chai. I'm sure you guys drink some form of drink in the morning like chai or coffee. In Pakistan, chai is an essential thing in most social gathering. People cannot live without chai. In your country, do you guys drink coffee or chai or something else? Let me know in the comment section down below. The next one is soda. Soda, we usually just say Pepsi. In Pakistan, we have our own brand, so we don't really drink Pepsi or 7-Up. We try to avoid it. The next one is coffee. Coffee is just from English. Coffee. Doodh. Doodh is milk. Doodh. You can see that with every single word, I've written M or F. That means either masculine or feminine, because all the noun genders are either masculine or feminine. They are genderized. So therefore, every single noun, the gender is mentioned, and you have to memorize it because the whole sentence structure depends on the gender of the noun. Now we'll move forward. The next one is khana, which is food. Khana. Mujhe khana chahiye. Mujhe khana chahiye. That means I need food. Mujhe khana chahiye. The next one is nashta. Nashta, which means breakfast. Nashta. मैं नाश्ता नहीं खाती हूँ. मैं नाश्ता नहीं खाती हूँ. I don't eat breakfast. मैं नाश्ता नहीं खाती हूँ. This is the present habitual tense. To learn the present habitual tense, you can go into the description box or you can follow this playlist. The next one is दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर is afternoon and ka means of, khana means food, the food of afternoon. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. मैं दोपहर का खाना 2 बजे खाती हूँ. मैं दोपहर का खाना 2 बजे खाती हूँ. आप लोग कब खाते हैं? आप लोगों के मुल्क में दोपहर का खाना कितने बजे खाते हैं? The next one is रात का खाना. रात is night, so the food of night. रात का खाना. रात का खाना. Seb is apple. Seb. Seb. मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. I don't like apple or apples. It's the same for plural and singular noun. मुझे सेब पसंद नहीं है. Naranji. Naranji is orange. Naranji. There are so many words for orange, like 5 to 6 different words. But the word naranji I like because it's very similar to Spanish word naranja. And I'm learning Spanish nowadays. This word I really like. Next word is kela. Kela, that means banana. Kela. Ananas is pineapple. Ananas. Ananas. Aam ka ras. Aam ka ras. Aam is mango. Aam ka ras. Ras is juice. Aam ka ras. मैं रोज़ाना आम का रस पीती हूँ. और for men, मैं रोज़ाना आम का रस पीता हूँ. नींबू is lemon. नींबू. नींबू. अमरूद. अमरूद is guava. अमरूद. अमरूद. उसको अमरूद पसंद है. उसको अमरूद पसंद है. She or he likes guava or guavas. उसको अमरूद पसंद है. They are appealing to her. They are liked by her. To learn the grammar constructions, you can always go to my grammar playlist. The next one is angur. Angur, that means grapes. Angur. Tarboos. Tarboos is watermelon. Tarboos. मुझे तरबूज की सलाद बहुत पसंद है. मुझे तरबूज की सलाद बहुत पसंद है. Watermelon salad. तरबूज की सलाद. The next one is गोश्त. गोश्त, that is meat. गोश्त. वो गोश्त नहीं खाता है. वो गोश्त नहीं खाता है. He does not eat meat. वो गोश्त नहीं खाता है. Sabzi. Sabzi means vegetable. Sabzi. मुझे सब्जी पसंद है. मुझे सब्जी पसंद है. I'm trying to use very simple sentences so you can understand them. This lesson is for beginner level students. Dahi means yogurt. Dahi. Dahi. Roti. Roti means bread, flatbread more specifically. Roti. 5 रोटियां लाओ. 5 रोटियां लाओ. 5 means 5. 5. Rotiyan is the plural form of roti. When the noun is ending with e, to make it plural, you add a after it. So roti, rotiyan, rotiyan. Lao. Lana is to bring. Here we are using imperative form. La o. Lao. Anda. Anda means egg. Anda. मैं अंडे नहीं खाती हूँ. मैं अंडे नहीं खाती हूँ. I don't eat eggs. मैं अंडे नहीं खाती हूँ. फल. फल. That means fruits or fruit. The masculine nouns that are ending with a consonant, here they are ending with la, phal. They'll remain the same in their plural form. They won't change. So phal is fruit. बाजार से फल लाओ. बाजार से फल लाओ. बाजार से means from the bazaar. फल लाओ, bring fruits. Bazaar is an open market. The next one is aloo. Aloo, that means potato. Aloo. Tomato. Tomato, that means tomato. 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 Bhutta or makai is corn. In Pakistan, this is such a popular snack. You'll see peddlers roaming by selling bhutta. The next one is pyaz. Pyaz is onion. Pyaz. Machli. Machli, that is fish. Machli. आज रात को मैं मछली खाऊंगा. आज रात को, tonight, आज रात को मैं मछली खाऊंगा. खाऊंगा is the future tense for men. I will eat fish. आज रात को मैं मछली खाऊंगा. मुर्गी. मुर्गी. मुर्गी means chicken. मुर्गी. चावल. चावल is rice. चावल. तेल. तेल, that is oil. तेल. कम तेल डालो. कम तेल डालो. Kam means less. Tel is oil. Dalo is put or add or pour. Don't add that much oil. Add less oil. Mithai. Mithai is sweet balls like this. It is customary to take mithai on a happy occasion to your host family. Makhan. Makhan is butter. Makhan. Paneer is a special kind of cheese in India and Pakistan. Paneer. Pani is water. मुझे पानी दो. मुझे पानी दो. Give me water. But this is very casual. A more respectful way is to say मुझे पानी दीजिए. मुझे पानी दीजिए. It is always good to talk respectfully. Chula is a burner. Chula. चूल्हा खोलो. चूल्हा खोलो और चूल्हा जलाओ. चूल्हा जलाओ. Turn on the burner. मटर is pea. मटर. मुझे मटर पुलाव पसंद है. मुझे मटर पुलाव पसंद है. In Pakistan it's a very famous dish. मटर पुलाव. गाजर is carrot. गाजर. गाजर. गाजर खाना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. गाजर खाना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. It's good to eat गाजर for health. सेहत is health. सेहत. Ghee. Ghee is clarified butter. Ghee. It's very common to put in parathas. They're called ghee wale parathe. Chamcha is a spoon. Chamcha. Chamcha. Kanta is a fork. Kanta. Kanta. Churi is a knife. Churi. Dalia is oatmeal. Dalia. When you boil it with milk or water, simply oat. Gehu is wheat. Gehu. 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 The ending is a nasal sound. Gehu. Dal is pulses. Dal. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में दाल खाई जाती है. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में दाल खाई जाती है और दालें खाई जाती हैं. This is a passive sentence, passive form. The pulses are eaten in India and Pakistan. Kheera is a cucumber. Kheera. Bawarchi khana is kitchen. Bawarchi khana. Bawarchi khana. Bawarchi khana. Chimta is a tong. Chimta. Havan dasta is mortar and pestle. Havan dasta. Havan dasta. Belan is a rolling pin. Belan. Jhinga. Jhinga is shrimps or prawn. I think it's mostly shrimps. Jhinga. Kekda is a crab. Cake, like a cake. Cake, la, la, kekda. Kebab is patties, right? Like this. Jaw is oat. Jaw. Like a jaw. I hope you have learned a lot. Let me know if you know any other vocabulary words related to food and list them down below in the comment section. Have a really nice day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.